parents or teachers. I am just going to introduce geometry from zero level. Contents are not the problem in the market. In books also, contents are readily available. But how to use those concepts, contents, to gain maximum things is the problem. Very beginning we know that geometry starts from point. Very beginning point is the first origin in the geometry. When point is joined, then it becomes ray if initial point is fixed. But if both the points are moving, then this is a line. If both the endpoints are not moving or extending away, then it is known as line segment. And when two lines are meeting at a point, then it is known as angle. These are very minor things, but my problem is how to introduce these concepts and to correlate these concepts in our daily life. Whenever we are using these concepts, so I have this is the just a homemade graph paper easily available in the market. Everything can be represented. An entire geometry without circles can be done on this particular graph paper. If we are representing these pins, so pins are representing points. There are so many points now. So by these pins we can have a presentation of points. But when we are talking about the ray, a ray means initial point should be fixed, one point should be open. Line means both the endpoints should be extended away. But when it is a line segment and we will be talking about angle, so when two rays are meeting at one point or lines are intersecting, then angles are found. My problem is, consider these figures. When line is not moving from its original position, then line is having an angle of 0 degree. When we are talking about joining of these two, this particular line is making an angle of 0 degree. But when these two angles, rays are meeting at a point, then angle is formed. In this case, this particular is one angle. We will be naming them. When we are just having rays in this direction, so we have just one ray in this direction, one in opposite direction, and one is at right angle. तो एंगल्स के बारे में जब हमने बात करनी है और हमें इनकी एग्जांपल तो मार्केट मीन्स from your school bag, from your home, how to apply these knowledge to your general life. This angle is known as acute angle. If angle is this angle is known as right angle. Acute angle. Straight angle. And this is obtuse angle. Concepts. Right angle is an angle which is of 90 degrees, and if in between 0 to 90 it is acute angle. If both the rays are in opposite direction, then this angle is straight angle, and in between 90 and straight angle it is obtuse angle. So these things are readily available in the books, as well as students are cramming these things. But my problem is how to have extraordinary concept of these angles from here. So I have data of so many schools with me. When certain questions are asked to the students, cramming is with them, but understanding is not with them. For example, if we are giving us give example of right angle from your daily life. So in one class I have given this, count at least 50 right angles. I have given them 7 minutes, and all the students have given so many examples which teachers can't imagine, parents can't imagine. I am just quoting some of them with you. पहले तो बच्चे बोलते थे 50 एग्जाम्पल फ्रॉम क्लासरूम, सर क्लासरूम के बाहर हम चले जाए. I restricted them into classroom only, and examples framed by them. One student is asking that, sir, I have 43 examples with me. So try to think about the imagination of that student. तो मैंने उसे बोला, बेटा बताएं कौन सी 43 एग्जाम्पल्स हैं. तो 43 वो कह रहा है, सर मैं आपके पास आकर बताऊं. तो he came to me and given this example, there are 43 students in the classroom. He gave caution to the class, please get ready for national anthem. So all the students are standing at a right angle position. So answer of that student is just see 43 right angles are present in my classroom. Similarly, so many students, examples of right angle. My problem is field should be bag of the student, school, as well as entire articles of his home or her home. So the thing is, when we are posing problems to the students, just this is a very simple apparatus to show everything of geometry. So straightway, when we are talking about this is angle of 0 degree, and if this particular all the angles in between 0 to 90, they are acute angles, and movement of this pin, acute, and similarly at any position till this position, all the angles are acute angles. if we give example to the students, give example of one concept in which all the angles are possible. So book is a very good example for them. When we are talking with this particular book, page is having an angle of 0 degree, but if movement is like this is a formation of acute angle, and at this stage this will be right angle. But when it is more than right angle, it will be obtuse angle. The thing is how to collect examples from our daily field. Fingers are very good examples of acute angles. Again, hand is giving us example of right angle. If we are applying more force, then it is obtuse angle. One more example, very good example from our body structure is are having in a straight line, it is straight angle. You can fold it at like this, it is a obtuse angle, obtuse angle, obtuse angle, obtuse angle, and it is right angle. And again it will be acute angle. So starting from this, again acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, and straight angle. So my problem is try to just give some time to the students to think about the problem, and automatically they will be giving us extraordinary answers. When we are talking about example of all these angles from daily life, so try to pose question that please at least quote 100 examples of every angle. Clock is a very good example. Suggest them to have time when angle is 0 degree. At 3:15, angle between two ends will be 0. Exactly at time 3, angle between them is 90 degree. And 2:45, it is a straight angle. So problem क्या है? Problem is not to gain concept. Problem is to find examples from our daily life. Try to have so many examples with you from your daily life, as well as from your classroom, as well as from your home. And if you are in a position to just have 100 examples of each and every angle with you, then concept of angle will be with you. Thank you. Try to have entire knowledge by this video. Okay.